there was plenty of food and space for humans and animals to live happily together. Elephants were once many in Sumatra and could be found almost anywhere on the island. The elephants live in very large groups, which are led by the most experienced female in the group. The female are usually able to give birth at the age of 10 years to a single calf after 22 months pregnancy period. The Sumatran elephants are herbivores. They need around 200 kilograms of food daily, including grass, bamboo, nuts, and fruits. They drink about 150 liters of water per day. They also have a very strong sense of smell. But sadly, over the last few decades, humans clear over 6 million hectares of forest for farmland. Sumatra's deforestation rate is among the highest in Southeast Asia. This took away the primary food source for the elephants. Subsequently, the elephants' life began to be disturbed by destructive human activities.
स्विमिंग ये चालू है ना भाई ये चालू है अच्छा गिरेगा भी ना दम गया सही है
And that was the beginning of the conflict between wild elephant and humans in Sumatra.
चल लटक दी बात पूरा एकदम नौटंकी है
Elephants will become extinct if they keep losing their natural habitat. People are not only damaging the forest by illegal logging and hunting, but they also clearing the forest areas to be used as farming, palm oil and pepper tree plantation.
keluar yang susah kalau ada yang potong palsu साइकिल ले गया है। कपड़े घूम रही है।
Who is to blame? Both humans and animals need to eat. And even now, people are trying to live in balance, where the conflict between wild elephant and humans take place. It is difficult to find a solution for harmony.
कुएं से पानी भरना।
Should we let this conflict continue without doing anything? It's time for us to be aware and care about elephant conservation, so they can be conserved and still exist for the next young generation. To overcome the conflict, Taman Safari Indonesia, supported by the government, has opened an elephant education and conservation center that is located in Waikambas, Riau, and Aceh in Indonesia. Hopefully, such action in protection and protection of wildlife, because wildlife everywhere lead us to protect the forest habitat that is home to many creatures, great and small. The Sumatran elephants are located solely in Sumatra in Indonesia and have a history that goes back many centuries. They have been used in forestry for hundreds of years and also for ceremonial purposes. To understand a little more about some of the characteristics of our Sumatran elephant, please make welcome onto the stage our beautiful Dara! Along with the keeper, Trisna! Please big applause! Hi Dara, how are you today? Good. Dara is about 29 years old, and now Dara will help us to show you the differences between Asian and African elephant. Sekarang kita akan melihat perbedaan antara gajah Asia dengan gajah Afrika. You can see they have a large body, standing up to 3 meters tall, with super strength weighing up to 4,000 kilograms. They are surprisingly smart creatures and also have great memories. So firstly, you can see the difference from their trunk. Their trunk is very useful. They can use it for touching, drinking, also snorkeling when they are inside the water. Okay, but the Asian elephant, they have one finger on the top of their trunk, while the African elephant have 2 fingers, one on the top and one at the bottom of their trunk. Gajah Asia memiliki 1 jari di ujung atas belalainya, sedangkan gajah Afrika memiliki 2 jari di ujung atas dan bawah belalainya. Can you all see their tusks? For the Asian elephant, only the male have long tusks, and the female have a short and small tusks. While the African elephant, both male and female have long and strong tusks. Gajah Asia hanya yang jantan yang memiliki gading yang panjang, sedangkan gajah Afrika baik jantan maupun betina sama-sama memiliki gading yang panjang. Thirdly, you can see the difference from their ears. For the Asian elephant have smaller ears, and African elephant have larger ears. They will flap their ears to cool themselves when they get hot. Gajah Asia memiliki telinga lebih kecil daripada gajah Afrika. And finally, they will show you how front legs. Okay, for the Asian elephant, they have 5 harness on their front legs. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 4 harness on their hind leg. While the African elephant have 4 harness on their front legs and 3 harness on their hind leg. Gajah Asia memiliki 5 kuku pada kaki depan dan 4 kuku pada kaki belakang. Sedangkan gajah Afrika memiliki 4 kuku pada kaki depan dan 3 kuku pada kaki belakang. Okay, that was a beautiful performance by Dara. Let's hear from Dara by waving her trunk. And we would like to thank you for visiting us to Bali Safari and Marine Park. And now we would like to invite 3 adult participants to come up onto the stage because Dara has special gift for you. Jadi kami ingin mengundang 3 orang dewasa untuk naik ke atas panggung karena Dara memiliki hadiah spesial untuk Anda. So everyone please raise your hand. Start from this side. Come on everyone. Yes, you miss in red. Mbaknya pakai baju merah. Silakan berdiri dan ikuti teman saya di depan. Come on miss. Silakan mbaknya berdiri dan ikuti teman saya. Yeah, from this side. More excited please. Yes, you miss. In front. Yes, you. Come on, stand up and follow my friend in front. Okay, from this side. More excited please. Ya, bapaknya pakai baju merah. Silakan berdiri. Okay, everyone please follow my friend in front. He will show you the way to come up onto the stage. At the Elephant Education and Conservation Center is where the elephant can be trained and educated. Conservation project can also help reduce the conflict between wild elephant and humans. And by you visiting our park today can also help to understand and conserve these highly intelligent animals. So everyone, here we have 3 participants, so please big applause for our participant here. Halo, selamat siang. Apa kabar? Baik ya. Oke, so please come closer. Oke, mohon membuat satu barisan dan menghadap ke gajahnya. Hello everyone, how are you today? Good? Okay, please come closer. So So everyone now please make one line in front of the elephants. And if you don't mind, please ladies first. Come on miss, you are the first. Please follow me. So please stand up over here and facing to the elephants. Menghadap ke gajahnya seperti ini. Thank you. So please make a little space. Mundur sedikit Pak. Okay. So everyone, now they will give you beautiful flower chain. So are you ready? Okay, you are the first. Please don't move and just relax. Okay, come on Della. This is the first participant. Wow, beautiful flower chain from Della. 1, 2, and 3. Very good Della. Lovely. Thank you. You look so beautiful. So please wait over there just for a while. So you are the second. Are you ready? Yeah, please stand up here. Come on, Della. This is the second participant. Wow, beautiful flower chain for beautiful lady. Come on, Della. 1, 2, and 3. Good job, Della. Lovely. Thank you. So please wait over there just for a while. Alright, you are the last. You must be ready. Thank you. Come on, Della. This is the last participant. Okay, don't be shy, Della. I know you can do it. Alright? 1, 2, and 3. Gorgeous, Della. Thank you. But please don't go anywhere just yet. Please come here. Because you are the last participant, you are very lucky. Because Della has another special gift for you. Are you ready for that? Okay, so please stand up over here. Yeah, and facing to the audience. And before we start, may I know your name? Okay, Mr. Julie, where are you from? Dari mana? Dari Bangli. So everyone, please give applause for Mr. Julie from Bangli. Thank you. By the way, sir, I have a question for you. Do you like water? Suka air, Pak? Suka, bagus sekali. But don't worry, I'm just asking. Saya hanya bertanya ya. Okay, because Della is very shy, would you like to close your eyes? Tutup matanya sebentar ya, Pak ya. Okay, just close your eyes and don't move. Oh, what is that, Della? What is that? Uh-oh. Wow, bikin from Della. How does it feel? Gimana rasanya, Pak? Oh, kayak disembur udara. But do you like it? Bapaknya suka? Yes, wow, he likes it. So everyone, once again, please big applause for our participants. Della with the keeper, best singer from Della by waving her trunk. So everyone, thank you very much. You can go back to your seat now. Terima kasih. So everyone, before we bring back our elephants, we would like to mention of our other shows. After this, we have White Tiger feeding at Rantambar Fort at 12:30 p.m. Bali Agung Show at Bali Theater at 2